Hi guys, I'm Joy Ninja. Today we are going to open another Hangrees and it's called WWPee. And I really wanted this one, guys, so I'm very lucky to get it. And let's open it. That was easy. Come out there. What is sold up there? Wait, even I got the background out. I got the background out, guys. It's a so I already had this. I already had this before I was a YouTuber. Well, I didn't have two of these, but I had like Chewbacca that I didn't do a video of, so I know how to do this. But instead of the water, yeah, let me help you with that. And let's get the powder. It's not going to be the same size. I'm trying to get the tape off, guys. It will be really easy to open. Not like that 5 Nights on Forks one. That was hard to open. Okay. It's kind of sticky to me. And I'm going to get, that's the background. I pretty like the background. That's poop. But that was easy. But that was really easy. And I don't know what that says. I know it's supposed to say Burger King.
It says Booger King.
Burger.
Like boogers out of your nose.
Oh, there's 2 layers.
Do you want me to pause it while I get water?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to be right back, guys. So we didn't use the shaker. We just directly put it in the Hangrees. So I'm going to put in the mixing bowl in.
It's a lot easier when you just use the Hangry, right? That way the powder doesn't drop anywhere. Those are red fuzzy balls and the powder.
It goes.
Careful, make sure it all goes in there. Is it in there?
Yeah.
And shake the bag like this. You want to get all that powder out.
Yeah.
Okay?
Now we add the water in.
And then, oh, you know what? Let me get a paper towel ready. While we shake it. Because after you add that water, you've got 1 minute, right? 1 minute to shake that thing up. And then, if you wait too long, what happens?
It'll get stuck and you have to dig it through the mouth.
That's right.
I hate that part.
Yep.
I totally hate that part. So don't do it this time, Dad. So, yeah,
Okay.
add the water.
Go ahead. There you go.
It's already turning blue.
Yep. Pour it all in.
Ooh.
Okay. And now we'll close it and shake
Yep.
it. Do you want me to shake it for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I don't know how long is 1 minute.
Yeah, we'll just estimate. So.
And also our crystals.
Here, you shake.
Okay. Tell me when to stop.
Okay. Oh, make sure you don't twist the leg. There you go.
Tell me when to stop.
Okay. I'm watching the back of this camera for time.
Is this enough? It said 1 minute.
Yeah, almost. Keep going. Does it sound like it's getting thicker?
Yeah. Probably not, because I hear it. It sounds like diarrhea.
Okay, I think we're good now.
Yeah.
So you can get rid of the towel, and then, hold on, let's get a close-up.
So, guys are going to be careful.
Yeah. Ugh, diarrhea. Oh, yuck. WWPee. Ew. Make sure you tap his butt on there so it all comes out. No, tap his butt on the toilet.
Oh.
Not his head. Yeah.
Does it throw the pom-poms in there?
I don't know. Maybe they're stuck in his mouth. Ooh, it's still dripping. He's got butt drippings.
Oh.
Ew. Oh, yeah, he didn't like that, did he?
Just check his mouth. Just in case the
you go ahead and open it.
Okay.
I'll hold this part.
It's hard
You have to twist it back.
Trying.
Yeah.
I'm trying.
Yeah.
It's so
on there
hard.
tight. Okay, hold on.
I can't open it.
Okay, hold on. Oh, the pom-poms are still in there.
Oh, not this again.
Some of it's in there. That's alright. Are you pushing it out?
It looks like poop.
Ugh.
I think that's the reason why
How come you like poop toys?
they are slime makers.
Oh, yeah? Okay. Do you want to pause it for a while?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to be right back, guys. So, guys, I'm playing with it so it gets non-sticky. But yesterday when we did the 5 nights and spats, we did it more.
5 nights of farts.
5 nights and farts. We shaked it too long and we didn't use a napkin. And that's why I won that. That was so great. Actually, I really like this, guys. Burgers King. Like always, does collector's list. And that's what he looks like. And WWPee. Okay. And I'll show. And yesterday, and this is series 1. I didn't say that yesterday, guys. So I think it's ready to be played.
Oh yeah, that looks much better, huh?
Uh-huh.
You're playing with his poop.
I actually really like this.
Yeah, you like playing with your toys' poop?
This actually looks pretty cool. The reason why I like this is because of the picture. It does look so cool with the picture.
Yeah.
And that's the end of the video. Bye. And make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.